So it's nighttime now, my baby. Now, if you wanna see my room, yeah, here it is. And yeah, my TV is still there, not cleaned. Well, are my walls. They are bare though. Oh, this is the spot where I sit. There, if you see the air conditioner, like, uh, yeah, it's blowing on my side. So I always want to pee easily. And here is my closet. Wait. Uh, Here's my closet. Yeah, lots of things there. And well, here are those Crocs and other stuff. Yeah. Um, I'm just gonna wear my other Crocs to wait. Wait. Hold on. So yeah. This is the spot that's kinda empty. Yeah, just the boxes of consoles there. And well, here you'd see the controllers. Maybe you'd be shocked. Yeah, those are controllers. I probably want to put something like a computer table there. So this is my bed. Yeah, I'm washing the other pillow sheet. I'm letting it dry. So yeah, this is my bed. And yeah, the lights. Oh, those are the lights. And, oh, it's dark. And they actually change color.